Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to calculate percentage in Excel. For this, we just need to know the percentage formula. First of all, we are going to calculate the total value for all these marks. Type equal to, search for sum, select the sum function and select the range, close the bracket and click on enter. Drag this formula to down. Next we are going to calculate percentage. Percentage is nothing but total by actual total. Total is 190. Actual total is 400 into 100. Start typing equal to, open the bracket, select the total, divided by actual total 400, close the bracket and multiply with 100. Click on enter. Now drag this formula to down. First part will calculate first. Next this total will multiply by 100. We can observe here the percentage values for all these marks. In this way we use percentage formula in Excel. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.